Welcome mga kalagan from Cultural Center Sindangan. Explore natin ngayon yung Misok. Nasa highway pa tayo. Dito na tayo sa foothills ng Horseshoe, guys. Dito ang Misok. Aakyat-akyat na naman tayo dito ng angaton dyan. Hangak-hangak na ko gamay. Uy. Ganda dito kasi mapapalakas mo yung tuhod mo dito. Sa dahan-dahang akyat. Akyat ng akyat. So akyat lang tayo na akyat dito, guys. May itoy. Yan uphill Ganda pa naman dyan. Ganda dyan, guys. Panalo dito. Kahit na hangak. Pero ang maganda dito, hindi siya masyadong mainit. Tahimik lang ang lugar. So, no problem. Dito may tabay sila. You know, deep wheel. Tabay. Tabay sa Bisaya. Bisaya ko. Uy, namagot na si Toy. Kahoy. Hangak is real, guys. Yes, hangak is real. Brand out. Wow. Ito yung masarap na uphill side dito. Yung pinakamasarap. Haha. Uphill here is real. Oh my gosh. Up here is real. Oh my gosh. Ganda talaga dito, guys. Kahit minsan di ako sasalita, pero enjoy the beauty. Explore natin ngayon ang Misok. First time ko pang magpunta doon, guys. Sama ulit tayo. Ganda So awesome. Pagbaba dito, ito yung wonderful life. Pagbaba dito sobrang saya. Alis lahat ng pagod mo. Marami pa tayong ikot-ikutan. Di pa tayo nangalahati. Lapit na tayong mga lahati. Everything is uphill here. Oh my gosh. But the good news is maganda na yung kalsada dito. Yan lang yung kagandahan. Sana lahat ng lugar sa Pilipinas ganito, di ba? Di ba? Punong-puno sila ng dala. Nakamotor pa yon. Hangak-hangakon pa gani sila. But uphill is real. Dahan badyang dari. Nangita mong badyang dari kalata lang. Ganda exercise dito, guys. Ilang araw na lang ako din nakapag akyat-akyat. Kaya pagod ito. Yagi ko ha. Ganda dito, guys. Oh, mayroon pang ano, career. Skylab na yung motor ni Uncle. Enjoy the beauty guys ha. Kasi I could not speak much. I'm hangak really. Hangak guys kasi I'm not very used to climb always uphill. But I love going here. This place is beautiful. Palkata oh. That's Palkata. You know Palkata guys? It's a kind of a tree. Ginagawang plywood. Pinuhian na ilang kanding oh. Na-drop naman ilang wire diri. Sa Nico, shout out. Kado naman ilang wire diri eh. Sa baba naman. Pasan-pasan og lagaraw. Mga lipong. Maadliban dyan ang wire. So ang aton Israel, uphill Israel. Israel guys, come on. If you're watching with some of our videos, sometimes thank you for bearing with me that my video is shaky. As of the moment I'm uploading this video, my capacity is limited. We are approaching provincial engineering office ng mga Tambakan. Hindi naman Tambakan, extension nila dito, Hasica District. So uphill is real. Again, yan yung entrance ng Provincial Engineering Office of Zamboanga del Norte here. It's uphill here. See that? This is uphill. And a real uphill. It's hangak guys, you know. It's really hangak. Yeah, hangak is real. Oh my God, words of this vlog is hangak is real. Ganda lang talaga dito guys. Medyo kumulimlim naman konti. Oh, makakit pa dito yung tricycle oh. Kayang kaya to kasi ano, basta ganito lang ang daanan para hangak is real. Yes guys, hangak is real here. And this is real. Simula tayo sa convention center, Sindangan, ginamit na siya ng mga events. So pag may mga big events kayo dito, luluyas toko, naligsan ng toko, nahulog siguro, luya. Luyang tuko. It's a big lizard family. Tuko. Jiko? Is that Jiko? Toko? I don't know. But that's Toko. Yeah, comment down. What's the English of Toko? What's Tagalog of Toko? Toko! Like that guys. Well, I said, Toko! And uphill is here. Again, from down field here, malapit na tayo mag right turn. Kasi pag mag left turn tayo, dating doon sa Y intersection, ano tayo, papuntang highway, that's going highway. So we'll be turning right and we'll explore Misok. I think this area is already part of Misok guys. Ay, malapit na tayo. This is the last part of going uphill before intersection. And hangak is real. Hangak is real. Hangak is real here guys. Yeah, it's real. You know, hangak-hangak is real here. Oh my gosh. That is uphill. There one more pala guys. One more there. Then more. Bajang again. Huh? It's bajang here. Huh? It's fine. It's fine. Fine, it's hard. But it's fine. It's fine. Whew. Ah. This is life uphill guys. Wala pa lang to, patikim pa lang. Marami pang uphill. That's the last round uphill guys. Oh. Oh. Let's see. Na tayo pahinga. Nasisilayan ko na ang pag-asa ng bayan. So right turn tayo dito. Downhill muna tayo konti. So dyan tayo akit. Tukan natin. Dito na tayo. Freewheeling lang sila dito. Okay. Hangak is real. Pahinga tayo sandali. Yes guys, dito tayo, konting relax muna, hinga lang ako sandali. So this is part 1 of our exploration of Misuk, Sindangan, Zamboanga. Dito na tayo sa Y Junction. Y Junction na yan dyan. As you can see, may tricycle doon, kung nakita nyo. And that is our part 1. Sana panoorin nyo lahat ng part. May exploration tayo dito na duman tayo dyan. Kasi umakyat tayo sa super uphill. So far. Pero ang maganda lang is maganda na yung daan. That's nice one. So, sama tayo sa part 2.